Hi, myself Janvi. Today's topic is application of radioisotope. Isotope have same chemical property, hence they behave in a given chemical reaction in an identical manner. However, in case of radioactive isotope, the property of radioactivity is preserved by it during the reaction. Radioisotopes are widely used in industry, agriculture, medicine, and bioscience. The first application of radioisotope is in medicine. Basically, there are many examples of uses of radioisotope both for diagnostic and therapeutic purpose. Radioiodine is used in medicine to diagnose the activity of thyroid gland, also for its treatment. The intense gamma radiation obtained from radiocobalt, which are used in the treatment of cancer under the name cobalt therapy. Gamma ray are used for sterilization of medical product. The next one is in industry. Radioisotope find many application in industry, both in research and process control. Any linkage in the underground pipeline can be located by allowing a radioactive liquid to flow through it. The thickness of coating or layer of moving sheet of textile paper can be measured and also controlled. In agriculture, by using calcium as a tracer, has been possible to measure the uptake of calcium by plant from soil. Mutant varieties of high-yielding crop plant are developed by irradiating the seed with gamma ray from radioactive source. Gamma ray from cobalt isotope are used for the preservation of onion and potatoes. The last application of radioisotope is in bioscience. Radioisotope and radiation technique have significantly contributed to the study of biology and bioscience. Important pathway and biosynthesis of low molecular weight substance have been understood by the use of hydrogen and carbon label organic compound. Radioimmunoassay has been an active subject of interest in the biomedical field and is now used for the measurement of most of biologically important substances such as hormone, drugs, and vitamins and virus. Autoradiography technique in conjugation with a microscopy has been employed in the study of DNA replication and study of protein synthesis. So these are the 4 applications of radioisotope. That's the end of video. Thank you so much.